Welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be solving the equation 7 multiplied by x minus 3 equals 11. We will walk through the steps together to find the value of x. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify the given equation. The equation presented is 7x minus 3 equals 11. Our goal is to isolate the variable x. This means we want x by itself on one side of the equation. To start, look at the term that is being subtracted or added to the variable x. In this case, it is minus 3. To cancel this out, we need to add 3 to both sides of the equation. This is because adding the same number to both sides of an equation keeps it balanced about, just as if you had a balanced scale. Adding the same weight to both sides keeps the scale balanced. So the equation 7x minus 3 equals 11 is altered as follows. We add 3 to both sides. On the left side, minus 3 plus 3 cancels out to 0. On the right side, 11 plus 3 equals 14. This means the equation is now changed to 7x equals 14. Step 2. Now we have the equation 7x equals 14. Our next goal is to solve for the variable x. To do this, we need to isolate x by getting it alone on one side of the equation. Currently, 7 is being multiplied by x. We want to reverse this multiplication because the goal is to have x by itself. The inverse of multiplication is division. To undo the multiplication by 7, we will divide both sides of the equation by 7. This is important because just like adding or subtracting the same value keeps the equation balanced, dividing both sides of an equation by the same number also keeps it balanced. Think of it like sharing equally among both sides. So the equation 7x equals 14 is divided by 7 on both sides. On the left side, 7 divided by 7 cancels out to 1, leaving just x alone. On the right side, 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Therefore, after dividing both sides by 7, we now have x equals 2. This is the final step in our solution. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.